Oh yeah, check that out. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for joining me. In this video, I'm going to show you the sequential turn signals that were sent over to me by Subiebros, and big thanks to DJ at Subiebros for sending me out a set, not only to try out, but to show you guys. And not only that, these are really cheap too. I mean, it's a respectable price. It's about $100. Very easy install. The hardest part about this install is routing the DRL wire. Unfortunately, I did do the install video, but that video has no sound, so it's not going to be much use to you guys. But the actual turn signal or sequential turn signals is plug and play. You just take this off, take this part off, and it plugs into your factory one. Now, if you don't have the factory harness for your OEM turn signals, there is a place where you can get the actual wiring harness, which I did on my old WRX, in order to plug these in. But I think that's plug and play too. I think the wiring harness is about $30. Hopefully that company is still around, but it's super easy to do. I'm trying to do this on camera. Hopefully I don't break this. But you just take that off. As you can see, I did that in real time. Undo these screws, then you can just plug in the provided harness into your OEM harness, and that is about it. Now, this white wire you see here, which I still have to clean up, that has to go all the way into the interior of the vehicle, and I just routed it to my fuse box and just used an add a fuse. Both sides have to connect into the add a fuse in order to get the DRL functions to work. It's up to you on which fuse that you want to tap into. So for me, as soon as I turn the key on, this lights up. So that's how I want it, exactly how my front JDM bezels are. So totally happy with the purchase. Link is in the description below. If you guys have any questions, put it in the comments below or send Subiebros an email, and I'm pretty sure they can answer everything for you. But yeah, simple, easy. Let's show you the DRL function. All right, guys, so there it is. There is the DRL, a nice white LED light. It's not too blue, it's not too brown looking. Actually, I think it's perfect. It matches my front JDM bezels perfectly. So when you have these DRLs on, as soon as you turn on your turn signals, they'll automatically do the whole sequential thing. There you go. Awesome, huh? What do you guys think? And if you guys are looking for a good do-it-yourself video on how to get that white wire into the cabin, not Subiebros, but Subiespeed actually has an excellent video when they installed their puddle lights down here on how to get that wire into the cabin. And after that, just get a fuse tap, put both sides into that single fuse tap, and you're good to go. Okay, just to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about, here are the two white wires that come with the DRL. Yes, I know. And I plugged them, or actually I wired them into the single fuse tap that I had laying around right here, and I plugged it into the cigar fuse, which is a 10 amp fuse right here. Second row from the bottom, the one to the far left. And I think that's your cigarette lighter that's in your center console. And every time I turn the key on, every time that circuit comes on, the DRL lights come on. You can wire them however way you want them. If you want to wire them to a switch, that's totally up to you. But yeah, two of these. Just plug this right into where the fuse was, and you're good to go. Check this out, we got Mac here and we've got work to do. He actually came over and wants me to do this pain in the butt install. It's time consuming, but we can get it done. It's really not that hard, just time consuming. But what do we got, Mac? Jeez, Cobb AOS, man. Trying to be camera shy, too?
No, but first of all, I don't want him to do it. I want him to help me do it.
It's not gonna be like a full tutorial, full install video. I think Subiespeed and a whole bunch of other people already have like an install video of the IAG or Cobb AOS. But yeah, we're just gonna go through the process. We also got the EGR delete kit to do.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, that's about it. We got the belly pan taken off. Of course, that's got to come off. Let's see what else. This charge pipe hasn't come off. I think it might be easier if we take this off to tighten this up again, maybe.
Yeah.
We gotta get you some corn in here, dude. Some E85, man.
That's the next thing after intercooler upgrade.
Oh yeah, definitely. It'll change your world, dude. Yeah, it would blow your mind. Well, maybe not in that sense, but you know what I mean. So here you go. Intercooler's already off, fans already out, as you can see by that pile right over there.
Got this complicated clamp off.
Yeah, it's one of those one-time use OEM clamps. So now I'm just gonna take this off and then put the white thingy back onto the original plug. Oh. What you got there, Mac?
Bracket.
Oh, the AC bracket. Kind of a pain. We couldn't get this part off, so he said screw it and just cut it. What do you gotta do now, Mac? Coolant hoses?
Coolant hoses, yes.
There's two of them. The short one, I think, goes on the bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah, just thread that in there. On the top, and we'll tighten those down later. Alright, it is now a couple hours later. Sorry I didn't film much, but this IAG/Cobb AOS really wasn't that bad of an install. I mean, like I said, if you follow the directions, you'll be just fine. But right now, we're just trying to route the hoses just to make it more aesthetically pleasing. Other than that, everything's pretty much done. We just got to put everything back on, and we should be good to go. But anyways, we're all done. So I think you just got to put the air intake snorkel back on. That's the last thing we got to do. And then we can go around town and go f around. Maybe do some donuts or something?
I don't know if my car could do that. Casey's car can.
Yeah. We are all done. I know we guys didn't show you a full detailed install video because we just wanted to get it done. It only took us a couple hours. But Max says his car's faster than my STI.
Oh yeah.
So you got yours tuned, right?
Yep.
And you got tuned at Surgeline. And what was the power that you made on there?
282 wheel with 326 torque.
Oh, not bad. Pretty good power for minimal mods.
Yeah.
So the mods you have right now, what, J-pipe, pretty much?
Yeah, Catalyst J-pipe, cat back with muffler deletes.
Yeah.
What is it? Charge pipe, TGV delete. You know, very little mods.
Like less than $1,000 a month.
Yeah.
Really not much at all. Access port, there you go, if you count that. Everyone, I mean, you need that. But yeah, 282 versus mine, which has front mount intercooler, header, exhaust, boost control solenoid, basically like thousands of dollars of mods. Thousands of dollars if you were to calculate all that up. We'll see.
If I win, I'm buying pizza.
Deal. Oh man, check it out. Looks like I got damage to the clear bra. So this is why I recommend you guys get a paint protection film installed on your car. Luckily, this piece is separate. The piece on top, I can just get that fixed, you know, at a shop for, I don't know, maybe $100 or so. But yeah, thankfully that's not in the paint. So that's just the clear bra itself that is damaged. Yeah,
we were just there.
We better go, man. Dude, you kept up pretty damn good, man.
I mean,
it's about the same, dude.
Last run, were you 1 second?
What's that? Yeah, start off a second.
That's
yeah.
probably why, yeah.
Yeah, but basically it's the same, man.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Sounds good. Well, let's go back. It's gonna take a while. We gotta go the back roads to the photo shoot spot, and we should be good to go.
I'm down. Nice little drive.
Hell yeah, dude. Yeah. What's that? That Mustang?
Yeah, like I can't get over the fact that you like kept up with him.
Oh, yeah. I mean, it's a stock 5.0. I mean,
yeah.
I mean, once you mod them, then is that an oyster? Oyster, huh? I guess you see a whole bunch of those around here. Crack it open, dude.
I don't have anything to open it with.
I don't know, man. It might be a crime, dude. You'll get arrested and shit.
It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine. Salt and Pepper and Heavy D up in the limousine. Hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, rap attack, Mr. Magic Morning on. I let my tape rock till my tape pop. Smoking weed and bamboo, sipping on private stock. Way back when I had the red and black lumberjack with the hat to match. Remember rapping Duke? The hard. You never thought that hip hop would take it this far. Now I'm in the limelight cause I rhyme tight. Time to get paid, blow up like the world trade. Born sinner, the opposite of a winner. Remember when I used to eat club, start ski. I'm blowing up like you thought I would. Call a crib, same